Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to draw a screwdriver, and this screwdriver design is very important design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a perfect. And guys, some important point is discussed here. How to this screwdriver is drawing here, and this is a final product, and this isometric view, and this also a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and also this detail view is available here. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this thickness is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is also looking perfect. Okay, this is a, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this screwdriver is a looking very nice looking here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part easy. Okay, and some setting is a, this background is a plain white, and this some important point is a image quality is very high, because this is a, okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this body, and select a, okay, this is a use a this circle is drawing here a 30 millimeter diameter, and this is a length is a 120 millimeter. Okay, correct. And this length is a 180 millimeter, and this is a cutout length is a, this 180 millimeter, and 1 minus 120 millimeter is, this is a 60 millimeter is inside cutout. Okay, and full length is a 180, means this 60 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use a circle is this, and this circle is align a diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and isometric view. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this is a 120 millimeter is perfect. Click OK, and this use a slot is cut out, and this slot cutout is a use a 7 millimeter, and okay, and use a right plane sketch normal, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a slot cutout is perfect, and also use a front plane. Okay, and this is a this face is sketch, select a normal, and drawing a circle is drawing a this, and use a this diameter is a 7 millimeter perfect, and this point and this point is a horizontal, this is a perfect, and this cutout is a use a extrude cut is used here, and this length is a, okay, this slot length is a 80 millimeter is perfect. 80 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. This slot is cut out, and this slot is a use a pattern. Pattern is a this is a circular pattern, and use a select this body. This face is select here, and use this feature, and feature is this, and pattern is 6 and 360-degree angle and equal spacing, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And next point is use here this and this fillet is used here. Okay, next point is use here this elliptical cut is used here, ellipse cut, and this measure axis is 16 millimeter, and minor axis is 7 millimeter, and this distance origin this is a distance is 4 millimeter, and this 20 millimeter is perfect. And okay, and use a right plane sketch normal. Okay, and select a ellipse, and ellipse is a draw here. Okay, okay, and align a dimension. This length to this measure axis is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and minor axis is a and minor axis is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and okay, this center to this line distance is a 20 millimeter is perfect. And this is blue color, means this is not defined, this is not fully defined. Okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is select here, and use a horizontal, and this use a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And this use a center line, because this is a cut is a revolve cut, and draw a center line is perfect. This is a reference line, and this is all is perfect. And use a revolve cut, and revolve cut is very nice looking here, and click OK. This cutout is a very nice, and okay, and next point is use here this fillet is used here a 10 millimeter, and this all is a 2 millimeter is all side. Okay, and at first big fillet is used 10 millimeter, and click any edge select here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And again select a fillet is 2 millimeter, and select a all edge is okay. This also select this line, this 2 millimeter, and also select this and also this, all is a 2 millimeter is perfect. And also select a 2 millimeter, and select a this. Okay, and also okay, and select a 2 millimeter, and then use a select this. Okay, select this point is a okay, this use this is a perfect, and click OK. This is a very nice looking here, and click OK. Okay, all is one time is all is fillet is used here. Okay, all is perfect, and some uh, click this sketch body, and this color is used here, and select this, and color is a okay, and use this, and all okay, all is blue color is perfect, okay, and next is this face sketch and normal, drawing a circle is this, and this circle diameter is a 8 millimeter, okay, but this is not mentioned here because some missing point, and this is a perfect some missing point, but this is a remember here 8 millimeter is correct, and okay, extrude boss, this extrude cut is perfect, and extrude cut is a this length is a 60 millimeter, okay, and 60 millimeter is perfect, and also this body, this face sketch here, sketch and convert entities, and extrude boss, is a length is 150 millimeter, 180 millimeter is perfect, okay, and this distance is a 180 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is also 10 millimeter, but this is a not merge, and important point is discussed here, this is not merge, and click OK, and OK, because this body is two body is perfect, and this body is not merge, uncheck here because this drafting is very nice here, because this body is a two separate body, and click a merge, then this body is a merge here, and no not so here a one body two body or drafting, use a drafting, okay, is uncheck result and click OK, and okay, this is a perfect, and color is a chrome, okay, this is a perfect, and also next is a this face sketch, convert entities, and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is a 10 millimeter, and also use a merge uncheck because this is a two body is okay, this is a perfect, and also use a chrome plate, okay, two body is a perfect, and use a use a merge result, then this body is a one body, not use this because this body is a uncheck merge result, okay, click OK, this is a two body is very nice looking here, and also select a plane is right plane, and sketch normal, and some is a drawing a cutout, use a center line, and center line is connect to this point to this, because some important point is cutout is this is a very nice looking here, and this cutout is a use here this, okay, this is a use a curve, radius is 20 millimeter, and this length is 9 millimeter, and this is a also distance is 0.6 millimeter, and click OK. Use a 3-point arc and draw this connect to this point to this, and draw a arc and connect to line and click OK and OK. This is a perfect and align a dimension. This dimension is a 9 millimeter, and this is a use a this point to this is a point 6 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a this curve radius is a 20 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a fully defined. Okay, all dimension is a correct, and this is a fully defined, and use this 0.6 millimeter and 9 millimeter and 20 millimeter, and okay, cutout is a use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is select a through all both side and click OK, and use a this. Okay, and same here this below side, and use a plane is use here top plane, front plane and right plane. Okay, use top plane and mirror. Okay, and select this cutout, and this cutout is a this. Okay, click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this body is also drawing is perfect, and all point is discuss here one by one. Okay, okay guys, this body is looking perfect, and all point is drawing this, and all geometry is define here easily, and all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a screwdriver is drawing here easily. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point and all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.